Good morning guys, in front of me is NOKIA XR21 and let me show you how to change wallpaper on this device. First enroll the list of all apps and enter settings. Then find and select wallpaper and style, and here click on change wallpaper. Now select the source from which you want to pick your wallpaper. It can be one from your own photos or one from the default albums. Let me choose art. Now select the picture that you want to cover your screen with. Now take a look how it looks on both home and lock screen, and if you want to activate it, just click on set wallpaper. Then decide if it's for your home screen, lock screen or both of them. And that's it. As you can see, your wallpaper has been changed and now it is covering both your home and lock screen. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.